In this video, you will learn how to move rows in Microsoft Excel. You will learn how to move single row as well as how to move multiple rows. Additionally, you will also learn how to move only selected data. Currently, you can see here I have inserted two tables and I have moved the row number 2 to row number 3 position. You don't need to copy and paste data. Instead of this, Excel has a useful function to move rows. So let's start this tutorial. If this video is helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Currently I have opened a separate sheet and I am interested to move the row number 2 to row number 4 position. Firstly, I will highlight it so it is more visible for you. Firstly, click here. Now you can see here the whole row is selected. Press and hold Shift key and place your cursor on this line. You can see here 4 arrow sign appear here. If you place your cursor here, then this sign will not appear, and if you place it here, then this sign will be appeared. After that, drag and drop it according to your location. Now you can see here a green line appeared. It means that this will be inserted after row 4 and I can easily drop it. Now you can see here the row number 2 is moved to row number 4. Similarly, you can move these rows in upward direction as well as in downward direction. For example, if I want to move this row, I will select this row, press and hold Shift key. When 4 corner sign appear, I will move it in upward direction and I can drop it and this location. You can see here the rows is moved to that particular direction at that particular location. Additionally, you will also learn how to move multiple rows. For example, I want to move these 2 rows. Firstly, I will select these 2 rows. Then press and hold Shift key. Place your cursor on these lines and move and drop it on any location. You can see here green line appeared after row 6. It means that both these rows will be appeared after row 6. Now you can see here these are moved to our desired location. Now you will learn how to move only selected data. For example, in this sheet I have inserted 2 tables and I don't want to move entire row. Instead of this, I want to move only selected data. For example, I want to move this one. Firstly, select the data. You can see here we have selected the row number 3 and I want to move it in row number 7 location. Press and hold Shift key. And when 4 corner sign appear, drag and drop it on. I think we have selected row number 7. If I select this one, it will be inserted after row 7. A green line appear. It means that this row will be moved to this one. Now you can see here the selected data is moved to this location, but the entire rows is not moved because this data is remain same. So by doing so, you can easily move single row or multiple rows as well as selected data. You can apply similar procedure for column as well. A separate video is also available on our channel. You can also watch that video. So that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.